Alright, so good evening, Team Mark. Okay, so I'm recording this video for the sake of those na sa ating mga rookie or upcoming financial advisors. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I conduct my presentation with my clients. Alright, so disclaimer lang guys, you can come up with your own style. Okay, so again, ang purpose nito is to give you somehow a guidance, all right? Kung papaano kayo magpe-present sa inyong mga clients. Okay, hindi nyo rin kailangan kabisaduhin, no? Verbatim yung mga sasabihin ko. Ultimo yung mga jokes, guys. Okay, hindi nyo yun kailangan kabisaduhin. Mas maganda na you can come up with your own. All right? Another thing, I will also be sending you sample presentation material which I will be using right now. And it is okay no na for you to have it tweak. Okay? If I may suggest, i-tweak nyo siya in a way na kaya nyo mas ma-express yung sarili nyo or yung plan na i-offer natin sa kanila. Okay? And lastly po, no, please make sure na kapag nag-present kayo sa mga clients nyo, dapat nakabihis kayo ng maayos. As much as possible if kaya na colored din. Kahit naka-boxer ka lang sa baba, walang problema. No? Basta yung taas, maayos. Okay, so huwag nyo na akong sitahin kasi nga sample lang naman ito. Okay? And dapat din, yung view, no, almost half. Kita yung kamay nyo. Kasi, importante nakikita yung hand gesture nyo. Alright? Para saan po? Ba't kailangan pang makita yung hand gesture? Kasi po, no, makakatulong ito para ma-highlight or ma-emphasize yung mga bagay na kailangan nilang ma-absorb na talagang importante yun. Okay? Mapapansin nyo rin, as I do my presentation, nag-iiba rin yung tonality ko. Okay, ay yun, may hand gesture and from time to time, I'll also crack jokes because I personally believe kapag napatawa ko yung client, mas lower down yung wall nila, mas nagiging comfortable sila, mas nagbi-build yun ng trust, mas tumataas po yung chance na ma-close po si client. Okay? If I may also add, if it's possible, the presentation proper, huwag niyo pong paabutin ng 1 oras. Okay, kasi ang attention span ng isang tao based sa scientific studies, 15 minutes lang talaga. So imagine, no, the rest 'yon parang tapon na lang, okay? So i-clarify ko lang, yung presentation proper, kung kaya 30 minutes, max na 'yon, okay na 'yon, no? Unless marami silang mga tanong. Okay, usually dapat mga tanong na lang 'yan eh. Okay? So going back, hopefully makatulong ito sa inyo in the future. Alright, so without further ado, allow me to start. Ayan, mag-share lang ako ng screen. Alright. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, so first, kapag pumasok na po yung client nyo, dapat mauna kayo doon. Alright, mauna kayo sa kanila and kapag pumasok na sila, you don't proceed right away with your presentation. Or you acknowledge their presence first. Or you appreciate their time and effort and for the chance na they gave you to share this with them. Okay, kamustahan muna, di ba? You make the conversation light. Kung kaya mong mapatawa na kagad, might as well. Right? So kapag na-establish mo na yon, kapag natapos mo na yon, okay, proceed ka na dun sa presentation proper. Assuming natapos na natin siya, no? Sige, mag-i-start na tayo. Okay? So you don't need to read this kasi nga naka-indicate na. Binasa na nila yan. Now, this is how I present this specific slide. Alright? So, Mr. Client, just to sum it all up, my commitment with you, if ever you're going to give me a chance, is lifetime. Alright? So, in case of financial crisis, my company and I will be there to help you in terms of finances. Okay, so parang i-emphasize natin sa kanila, no, na hindi lang pang ngayon yung commitment. This is a lifetime commitment. And you'll be surprised, sobra silang nagugulat at na-appreciate yun. Kasi nga sinasabi mo sa kanila na lifetime partnership ito. Again, you don't need to read this one by one. Kasi babasahin na nila yan for sure. You don't need to repeat it. Okay? Next. Of course, importante itong professional vows natin. Okay, so this is how I position this. So moving forward, Mr. Client, this is our professional vows. Okay? Private, number one, this is private and confidential. Because along the way po, we will ask confidential questions. Okay? Ang purpose po nun for us to give our the purpose of asking confidential questions is for us to know how or what suitable plan, yung pinaka-suitable plan na tingin namin ay kakailangan niyo. Okay, para lang po mas makapag-tailor fit kami ng maayos para sa inyo. Okay, kaya rin po nakalagay diyan, quality information equals quality recommendation. Okay, you really need to be transparent with us. Okay? Para po ma-address natin yung talagang magiging needs nyo po in the future. And we don't want you to commit to something na alam po namin na baka hindi nyo siya masustain for the longest time. Because at the end of the day, this is something that you should enjoy. Not the other way around. Okay? So sorry do sa first part, medyo nawala ako doon. No? Ayan. So next, this is without commitment. And of course, if you will find the value of this one, please po, you can refer your loved ones, your relatives, co-workers. Wala naman po itong commitment. Ang gusto ko lang po is makapag-share sa kanila at mas ma-educate ko po sila. Okay, so okay lang po ba yon, Mr. or Miss Client? Okay, pansinin nyo rin from time to time meron akong laging thumbs up. Yung parang yes. Kasi as much as possible dapat parang na ano natin sila no doon sa pag-yes ng pag-yes. Okay, kumbaga may psychological factor kasi siya. Okay, if you're going to do it repeatedly. Okay, so okay na tayo dyan. Proceed na tayo. Okay, so ako, ganito ang ginagawa ko. Client familiar na po ba kayo kay ProLife UK? Tinatanong ko muna kung meron silang prior knowledge, kung nakita na ba nila ito sa TV or baka narinig na nila to sa mga kaibigan nila. Kasi guys, kapag halimbawa sinabi nila, oo, medyo familiar na ako kasi yung friend ko meron or yung family ko meron, guys, good indicator na yon. Okay, kasi more or less nabenta na ito nila sa kanya. Okay, susundutan mo lang ng konti. Okay, so ganito ko po siya sinasabi. So anyway ma'am, ProLife UK po no, was established sa United Kingdom noong 1848. Alright, so meaning to say the company existed for more than 170 years na po. Why am I telling you this, madam, sir? Okay, because nowadays, ang basihan po ng kredibilidad is kung gaano nakatagal yung isang bagay. Would you agree? Siyempre, yes, ulit ang sagot niyan. Diba? Okay, another interesting fact, do you know Titanic po ba? Okay, so bakit natin sinasabi si Titanic? Ako kasi, ang take ko doon is, mas madali nilang ma-absorb na matagal na talaga yung kumpanya. Kasi ang alam nila, si Titanic, sobrang tagal na nang nangyari niyan. Okay, so ganito ko siya sinasabi. Ma'am, familiar kayo Titanic? Yes, familiar. Ma'am, if you will conduct your own research, type nyo sa Google later po, no? Titanic tsaka si ProLife UK, lalabas po na insurer po nila si ProLife UK nung lumubog po yan. No? So inuunahan ko na minsan parang, ma'am, baka isipin mo, chino-chona kita or binobola kita. No? So ma'am, you can conduct your own research later. Kapag sinearch nila yan, at most of the time sinesearch talaga nila, nakita nila yung facts na yon, guys, tataas lalo yung closing ratio nyo. Okay? Kasi nga, credible kayo. Alright? Next. Hina-highlight ko din po na since this is an international company, ma'am, sir, kapag na-execute po yan sa Pilipinas, and if ever you decided to go abroad, do you have any plans po ba, ma'am, sir, na mag-migrate or just for leisure? Ay, sabihin nila, wala naman anytime soon. So anyway, if ever po, no, you decide to travel or migrate and something bad would happen on board, you are still covered as long as it is executed here in the Philippines. Pansinin nyo guys, no, yung mga importanteng information, may pag-ganun-ganun ako, binibigyan ko ng diin, nag-iiba rin yung tonality ko. Yung confidence nandun siya, pero hindi sobra. Okay? Kasi baka ma-misinterpret, masyadong maging overpower yung ano nyo, no? Mas magpuput up sila ng wall kapag masyado kang intimidating naman. Okay? With confidence and as much as possible, you smile. Alright? And it would make you sound more credible. Okay? So, paano po nakukuha yun? Through practice din. Okay? And lastly po, sinasabi ko dito, and lastly, madam, ProLife UK is the pioneer of what we call VUL or Variable Unit Link. Okay, so ma'am, ano-ano po ba ang advantage kung doon po kayo sa company kukuha kung sino po yung nag-pioneer niyan? Later po, discuss ko po sa inyo kung ano-ano. Alright, so do you have any questions? So guys, make sure then you are asking questions from time to time. Number one, ang purpose nun, to check their attention. Kung nakikita mong medyo lingon-lingon sila ng gano'n 'no, puwede mong isingit 'yun para makuha mo ulit yung attention. Okay, or kung meron siyang gustong i-clarify. Okay, yan. Next. So this one, ito isa sa pinaka-favorite ko, okay? Kasi ine-emphasize nito na we're not here just to sell or we're not here because we need you, okay? Gusto kong ipamukha sa mga kliyente na kami actually yung kailangan niyo, okay? So papaano ba namin kayo matutulungan? If you will see, 'di ba nakalagay diyan, assist clients in positioning their money with a more optimal portfolio. Okay, so ma'am, part of our job is to educate and help our clients or to inform them na there is a much better portfolio, okay, for them to position or put their money instead of just putting it in banks. Okay? So ma'am, we're not saying po pangit yung bangko. Okay, we're just saying na if you really want to maximize your hard-earned income, there is a much better portfolio and we can help you with that. Okay, so kita niyo in the end, di ba? Talagang ramdam na ramdam mo. Okay? Number two po, addressing their needs and devising a tailored plan that aligns, etc. etc. So guys, hindi ko babasahin yan. Ha? Binabasa ko lang for the sake nga na ito nag-explain ako sa inyo. Okay, number two, ma'am, we are here to find out a plan that is most suitable for you. Meaning to say, ma'am, at the end of the day, it is you who will decide what kind of plan you would want to have. Okay, we're just here, ma'am, to help you po and suggest. But still, it is you who will decide kung anong plan po ang gusto nyong makuha. Okay, kasi ma'am, kayo po ang magbe-benefit nito. Doon po kami ma'am papasok. Okay, magsasuggest po kami. Okay, titingnan natin kung ma-address ba yung mga pangangailangan mo in the future. And lastly, madam, ayan, enabling our clients to understand the potential consequences of their choices. Ito, parang kino-close na natin dito. But ganito ko siya i-position. Actually, narinig ko to no doon sa isa sa mga inattenda namin na parang MDRT something no kay UM Lloyd. Okay, so ayan, ganito niya sinabi. Ma'am, and lastly po, no, ito po yung most important. Okay? Ma'am, we are here to talk about the things na hindi pinag-uusapan or yung mga iniiwasang pag-usapan. Ma'am, ano-ano po ba yun? Okay, ito po yung death, illnesses, accident, disability. The problem with that, ma'am, kung hindi natin pag-uusapan, yung mga bagay na hindi usually pinag-uusapan or iniiwasang pag-usapan, hindi po tayo nakakapag-prepare para doon. Na kapag nangyari nga yun, since hindi tayo prepared, doon po magkakaroon ng problem. Okay, nagiging cycle po kasi siya. So ma'am, if I may ask you, is it okay for us to discuss these morbid things with you so that we can prepare you if something will happen? Is that okay with you? Okay, so parang medyo magiging seryoso ka. No, with authority, but not overpowering. Okay, so sige, Mark, pag-usapan na natin yan. Diba? Ayan. So, proceed ka na. No? Ngayon, etong slide naman na to, no? Bakit ang tanong dyan, how can we help you? As you can see, no, parang talagang genuine yung approach eh. Diba? Parang may kailangan talaga si client natin. Imagine mo, ikaw nang ulit ng appointment niyan. Pero ang nakalagay dyan, paano ka ba namin magtutulungan? Di ba? Kasi kailangan maramdaman ng client mo na meron kang value na binibigay, na meron kang importansya. Bakit tayo nag-uusap ngayon? Di ba? Hindi sa dahil gusto mong makabenta, pero dahil gusto mo siyang matulungan. Okay? Ma'am, sir, how can we help you po? Okay. If ever, ma'am, assuming nagustuhan niyo po yung plan or yung ipapakita namin sa inyo later, saan po ba siya mas maglilin towards? I mean, for what reason po? Is this something for your protection, educational funder if you have a family or kids na po, savings, or retirement? Usual na sinasagot nila diyan, retirement and savings. Bihira yung education and protection. Okay, but ang thought lang nito, ma'am, the good thing about this or the good thing about our plan, it doesn't matter po kahit ano pong piliin niyo diyan. Kasi ma'am, it's like buying one, take three. Kasama na talaga siya, ma'am. Okay, so ganun po kaganda yung VUL. Na-a-address po niya lahat ng needs ng isang tao. Okay, kasi kaya rin natin 'to tinatanong para ma-highlight na flexible yung plan natin at para magkaroon ka rin ng idea kung ano yung magiging push button niya. Kung ano yung ipang-pu-push mo para ma-close mo lalo itong sale. For example, sinabi niya retirement. Ma'am, I understand. Okay. So since this is for retirement, ma'am, if I may ask you, what age do you plan to retire? Usually sinasabi nila 60 o 50. Okay? Okay. So ako sinasabi ko ganito. Ma'am, why do you want to retire at the age of 60? Okay, eh kasi hangga't kaya pa. Usually kasi guys, pera ang problema. Okay. Ma'am, actually good decision po. Why? Because most of the time, kaya po pinipili ng mga taong mas magtrabaho pa, no, hangga't kaya nila. Dahil ang main issue po diyan is pera. Now, if you will accommodate or if you will pursue the plans that we're going to offer you, yung retirement mo, ma'am, ng mas maaga is possible. You will have that option po because money will not be the issue. Ngayon pa lang, ma'am, maa-address na po natin siya. Okay, so kung hindi natin 'to paghahandaan, ma'am, baka umabot talaga ng 60 or more than pa. Okay, so depende yung guys, no? Pag pinili savings, iba na naman yun. Education, iba na naman. Protection, iba na naman. Okay, bibigyan nyo lang ng DL. Next. Ayan. So ma'am, just to explain it further, no, kung paano po kayo matutulungan ng miracle plan namin or what we call VUL, i-discuss ko lang po siya in depth. Alright, so again, VUL stands for Variable Unit Link. It is an investment or savings that would also protect or insures you. Now, if nothing happens, paano niyo po siya mapapakinabangan? Ma'am, it would serve as an investment po kasi. Okay? Saan niyo po magagamit? Yung perang may ipon, ma'am, depende po sa inyo. But usually, they use it for as educational fund of the kids. So for example, kumuha po yung breadwinner, no? Sooner or later, kapag lumaki na yung mga bata, pwede silang mag-withdraw yung mga pang-aral, pang-tuition. Number 2, retirement funding. As discussed or as mentioned earlier, that option is available if ever ipupush nyo po ito. You can retire as early as you can. Okay? Hindi po kailangan umabot sa point na pipilitin nyo yung sarili magtrabaho kasi kailangan nyo po ng pera. And lastly, major purchase funding. Ma'am, ano po ba luho nyo? Oh. Okay, from time to time guys ha, tinatanong nyo siya, hindi dapat kayo nagsasalita. Yung dire-diretso. Okay, dapat nagsasalita din siya. Okay, ma'am, ano po ba luho mo? Ayun, pwede ka mag-crack ng joke, di ba? San po ba, ano po ba mga hilig nyong gawin, blah, 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 and so on, di ba? So, pwede yun. Okay, so, pag nasabi nila lahat, no, chika-chika kayo, ma'am, this would serve as your wealth accumulation po. So, again, ma'am, para lang po kayo nag-iipon sa bangko, only difference, mas malaki po ang tubo. Now, if something happens, this would serve as your protection or insurance na po. Ma'am, if I may ask you, sickness, accident, disability, and death. What is the common denominator of these four if ever isa dyan po mangyari sa inyo? Pause ka. Pag-isipin nyo. Nag-iisip din ba kayo? Okay, ang sagot si Don Pera. Diba? Halimbawa, nasagot niya. Man, correct ba? Okay, kasi diba ma'am, lahat naman yung gastos po eh. Diba? Number 2 question. Would you agree if I tell you na isa sa apat po na yan is 100% guaranteed mangyayari po sa inyo? Do you agree? Usually, yes. Kasi guys, yes naman talaga sa yes, ma'am. Because, ma'am, tama naman po, we're human beings after all. Nanghihina, nagkakasakit, and eventually lilipas. Now, knowing the fact that these things are guaranteed or bound to happen anytime soon, what are the steps that you are currently taking para po hindi na po maproblemahin yan in the future? Ma'am, doon kami papasok. Doon po papasok si VUL. Doon po papasok yung servisyo. Ito na po yung problem solver. Ito pong dinidiscuss ko sa inyo. Okay, so we call it again view. Alright, so guys, nakita niyo. Binigyan nag-create ka ng problem at nagbigay ka ng solution doon sa problema. Diba? Hindi siya pilit, guys. Diba? Hindi ka nag-hard sell. You make them realize and you make them think. Okay? Now, ma'am, sir, just a quick comparison lang po. We're almost done. Okay? Ito po yung difference sa bangko at KVUL. Ma'am, sir, for sure, you are saving currently. Ako tinatanong ko, saan po kayo nag-iipon? Magkano po iniipon nyo kada buwan? Magkano po ang tubo? Okay? Guys, pag sinabing bangko, usually less than 0% yan. Okay? So, alam mo yung next. Pwede mo na paghandaan yung next pay mo. Sir, if you're going to position your money with us, the company can give you 4% onwards, 10% po. Okay, per annum. Now, the best part about it is, if something would happen, hindi nyo po kailangan i-withdraw yung perang naipon nyo sa amin. Okay, kasi as indicated there, kung saan po kayong category pumasok dyan, yan po yung pera makukuha nyo from our company. The difference with the bank, you cannot go there and ask them na, BDO or East-West, pwede bang ikaw na magbayad sa hospital namin nung bills ko na 500,000? Di ba? Ano sabihin sa'yo ni Bangko? Ay, i-withdraw mo. Yung pera mo sa amin, may ipon ka, oh. Okay na tumubo ng sentimo, withdraw mo yan ang bayad mo sa hospital. Di ba? So, ayun, may konting joke. Okay, but it's true naman. Ma'am, sir, with us, hindi po ganun. Okay, yung pera niyo pong inipon, intact. At the same time, yung company or millions po na makukuha nyo will come from our company. So, ma'am, what do you think po? Which is the better platform? Of course, pipili na si BON. Okay, ma'am, just to clarify ha, we're not saying na it's wrong to save sa banks. All I'm trying to say is there is a much better portfolio kung saan kayo magbe-benefit. For example, ma'am, how much are you willing or how much po ba yung iniipon nyo kada buwan? Guys, importante itong tanong na to. Kasi kapag sinagot nila to at sure naman sasagutin nila yan, alam mo na kagad kung anong plan yung papakita. For example, sinabi nila, minimum lang ako 2,000 pesos per month. Kasi gagawa ka ng proposal, di ba? Prior presentation. Tinanong natin yan. Ma'am, sir, kayo po ba? How much are you saving currently, sir? Ulat ka guys, sabihin yan 5 to 10,000. Range, sabihin ko, ma'am, sir, range lang po. Doesn't need to be exact. Just the range po. 5 to 10,000. Ma'am, this 5 to 10,000, ito na po yung neto. Ibig sabihin, labas na si Shopee, labas na si Lazada, ayun, ay joke na naman, di ba? Yes, oo, 5 to 10,000. Okay. Ma'am, what we're going to suggest is, we're going to reposition portion of your money here. Okay? We're not going to recommend, ma'am, na lahat ilagay nyo po dito. Okay? Kukurot lang tayo, ma'am. Okay, lipat natin dito and then mas marami pa po yung benefit, mas malaki pa po yung itutubo. So, bakit natin sinasabi? Kasi guys, para ma-realize nila, kung talaga nag-iipon sila ha, na hindi talaga sila maglalabas ng pera. Maglilipat lang sila ng pera. Now, if you're telling me na mas magandang platform para ilipat yung pera ko at mas benefit ako, anong reason ko para hindi yun? So dito pa lang guys, pwede mo na siyang mag-focus. Kasi yung thought na inculcate mo na oo nga, no? Kung maglalabas, maglilipat lang pala ako ng pera. Okay, so I hope you guys are learning. Okay? I understand, at first, medyo confusing, overloading, but practice means practice it over and sabi ko sana practice means perfect. Okay? So, you just practice it over and over again. Pag na-integrate na yan sa system nyo, mas madali. Now, you just need to be familiarized or you just need to understand yung thought nung sinasabi ko. And personally, no, I know myself, hindi ako magaling mag-explain. Okay? Ako yung tipong tao na i-explain ko tong one word para ma-explain ko yan. Ang dami kong words na gagamitin. May mga teammate tayo na magagaling dyan. Okay? So, you need to come up with your own spin. Okay? Siguro, na-highlight ko lang siya dun sa tonality and dun sa kamay. No? But, I'm sure you are much better, no, in explaining things than me. Okay? So, kung kinaya ko nga through practice, kakayanin na rin siya. Okay? So, we're almost done. So, ma'am, why do you need to start now? Bakit tayo may ganito? Kasi guys, gusto ko ma-address yung tanong na kailan po umpisahan? Mag-umpisa na ba ako next Monday, next week na lang? Okay? Kasi ang next slide yan is, so ma'am, sir, why do you need to start now? Actually, ma'am, sir, to be honest with you and frank, late na po. Now, imagine for how many years na po kayo naging vulnerable. Nakakatakot po yung isipin niyo. Okay, kasi nga po, we're talking about uncertainties in life. We cannot predict the future. Ang dami po dyan natutulog lang, hindi namin-isip. Diba? So ano pa po ba ang kayang ibigay nito sa inyo? Aside from protection and investment return, peace of mind po. Okay, ma'am, sir, ganun din naman po. Diba? I mean, you are saving for how many years dyan sa back and you don't have any protection at all. And you are okay with less than 0%. Now you have the opportunity to have more months. Way more ROI percentage. On top of it, you are protected with millions. Whatever happens, you can maintain your lifestyle. Okay, so ma'am, sir, do you have any questions before I proceed sa last part? Okay, so guys, that's how I quickly conduct my presentation. Alright? So after nun, po-proceed na ako sa proposal. Papakita ko na, no, based doon sa napag-usapan namin, kung ano yung range nung sinabi niyang budget. O for example, ginawa mong proposal, 2,000, pero bigla niya sinabi 5 to 10,000. Guys, kung napakitaan ng 2,000, pakita mo na yung 5 to 10,000. Kasi yun na nga yung budget niya. Di ba? Kung talagang hindi kaya, tatawad yan. Wala naman tumawad pataas. Hindi ko makakalimutan yan, no? Sinabi ng isa sa mga bosses natin, wala naman tumawad pataas eh. Di ba? Bihirang-bihira yun. Pero silang tumawad pa ba? Didisclose mo naman, ma'am, sir, nothing is final. This is just a sample proposal. Okay? Pagdating doon sa coverage part, you need to be knowledgeable about it. It will make or break your presentation. Okay? If I may add, huwag niyo pong sasabihin, ma'am, sir, first time ko po kasi medyo kinakabahan ako. Guys, huwag ganun. Okay? Hindi naman nila alam na first time mo or hindi naman nila alam na, di ba, bago ka. Okay? Lahat ng lalabas sa bibig mo, ine-expect nila, alam mo. Now, last na to. What if kung sabihin nilang, meron silang itanong sa'yo na hindi mo alam? Ganito nyo po siya sagutin. Or at least, this is how I respond to that. Actually, ma'am, sir, allow me to get back to you after my presentation. I don't want to give a 50-50 answer. Or I just want to make sure na what I'm about to give to you is 100% correct. Okay? Just give me a few minutes just to double check and make sure na tama po yung information na ibibigay ko sa inyo. So, assignment ko sa inyo yan, ma'am. Babalikan ko po after my presentation. Simple as that. Hindi mo mag-iisis, hindi, ngayon na. Hindi mo magaganon yan, guys. Di ba? Making sense? Okay? So, ayun. So, hopefully, guys, nakatulong ako sa inyo or naka-add ako ng value, hopefully, no? And practice nyo lang siya ng i-practice. Okay? Kasi kung hindi nyo siya uumpisahan ngayon, kailan pa? Alright? So, with that, guys, thank you so much. And again, hopefully, marami kayong natutunan, napulot. Okay? And let's go, Team Mark. I-close na yan. Alright, so yun lang. Bye, guys.